Why automate grocery shopping?
Automating grocery shopping can save you hours every week, reduce decision fatigue, and help you stick to your budget. By using online delivery services with automation features, you'll never run out of staples, avoid last-minute store runs, and free up mental space for more important tasks. Let's explore how to streamline your grocery routine with simple, effective steps.
Choose the right delivery service.
Start by comparing online grocery delivery platforms in your area. Look for services that offer recurring order options, wide product selections, and reliable delivery times. Popular choices include national chains, local grocers, and specialized services. Check if they support recurring orders or subscriptions. This feature is essential for automation and ongoing convenience.
Create a reusable shopping list.
Build a core list of essential items you need every week or month. Most platforms allow you to save lists or mark favorites, making reordering quick and easy. Consider categories like fresh produce, pantry staples, household supplies, and personal care. Keep your list updated as your needs or preferences change.
Set up automated orders.
Enable recurring deliveries for your saved shopping list if your chosen service offers this feature. Select how often you want staples delivered, weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly. Before each scheduled order, most platforms let you edit items or quantities, giving you flexibility while maintaining the time-saving benefits of automation.
Tips for a seamless experience.
These changes in this. Watch for substitutions and price changes and update delivery details if your schedule shifts. Take advantage of loyalty programs or discounts for subscribers. With these strategies, automated grocery shopping becomes a smooth and stress-free process, leaving you with more time for the things that matter most.